Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. If somebody has a perspective on a car wrap or a logo on the side of a car, painted maybe, whatever, I don't understand. They want, so on the this is the left side of the car, the right side, they want the E to be bigger and it going where the H is smaller. I don't know where this part of the logo would go or the racing, but I just typed out the same font. I'm going to rotate this one 8 degrees. So I've just made a copy of it. This one I'm going to rotate a -8 degrees, so we're at least got the same. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I've got my nudge factor set on, I'm going to set it on 10. And let's nudge this out of the way to the right. Let's go, you know what, let's don't do 10. Let's do 8. I want it just off the page. Then I'm going to hit P and put this in the center page and then nudge it over. So what that's doing is going to give us some common denominator between the two when we hit the perspective tool. So go up to object and hit perspective, and when you hit the perspective, you start moving perspective out, you get these X's. Well, if you just kind of bring them in, you'll just get one X. And then you could bring it in to about that line, and then you can still move it around. But you get that perspective where you want it. And I'm going to say you move it down a little bit or whatever you want to do. Let's move it over just a little bit. Then bring in another indexing line to here. Now when you do this one with the perspective tool, there's that X. We could bring that X to there, and your perspective should be the same, or at least equal. That's the only way I know how to do it. Now, I don't know about this logo and this part. There's really no way to copy it. And you can't mirror something like this, because if you mirror it, you know, it goes completely backwards. You're mirroring it. I might play around with this later this afternoon to see if there's another way. But that would be, you know, your E's big and your H is big and it's going down the same direction. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.